Hey everyone, I am O'Neill Fuller from Support HVACR Trade. In the next 180 seconds, you'll know exactly how a typical HVAC system keeps you comfy year-round. HVAC means heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, the triple threat of home comfort. Let's meet the starting lineup. Point to diagram. Furnace or heat pump adds heat. The outdoor condenser removes it. The ducts are highways. The thermostat calls the plays. And the humble air filter guards the gate. Watch the airflow racetrack. Return grill pulls air, filter cleans it, blower pushes across the coil or heat exchanger, then supply ducts deliver conditioned air back to every room. The thermostat is the brains. It senses temp, compares to your set point, and flips tiny 24-volt relays to fire up heating or cooling. Nothing magical, just smart control. A quick word on maintenance. A $10 filter swap can save you 15% on energy. Keep 2 feet of clearance around that outdoor unit and schedule a pro tune-up each spring and fall. Ready to test yourself? Like, share, and subscribe to Support HVACR Trade Inc. on all your social media sites. Stay curious, stay cool, and I'll see you in the next lesson.